Hello. Have you ever wondered how you could get the summary for a video without having to watch it? Or if you wanted to have the video be in a text format quickly for you so that you don't have to be able to watch for minutes on end to be able to get the details? Well, I have a solution for you guys that I want to show you. And if you like this content, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get started. This is Jay Techie. So, this tool is simple to use. It's actually made by Google, and you can go to aistudio.google.com. And once you do that, you can play around with different AI features. And one of the features I wanted to show you guys is how I was telling you about the getting a video summary very quickly. Well, this is how you do it. So on the side here, you see these different options. At the very top, make sure to hit create prompt. And for this tutorial, you will not need to get an API key. So now with this screen where it says system instructions, this is where you will enter what you want the AI to do. And so I've prepared a statement here of what I want the AI to do, and it's going to be this. And so what I am saying here is you will be provided a video. Your job is to analyze the video and create a detailed summary of the video in a nice, neat blog style format. Alright, so that's this AI's main job. And so now what is left for me to do is upload the video. As you can see, there's a box down here that says type something, and this is where I will actually, since I already gave it the instructions up here, I don't really have to say anything, but I would like to go ahead and show it what video I want it to process. So let me prepare that video for you guys just really quick. Alright, so the video I have is, I'm gonna go ahead and drag my video into the box that I want to upload it to, and I have to give it permission, and then probably have to do that again. Let me go ahead and upload the video. Alright, so it is uploading the video that I want to have, and the video is about making homemade tacos. And so it takes some time to a few moments to upload that video. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and be right back once that is uploaded. Alright, I'm back and the video has uploaded. And then once the video has uploaded, I will simply hit the run button. And once I hit the run button, it should follow my instructions here of analyzing the video and giving me a detailed summary in a nice, neat blog style format. And let's see how it does here as it analyzes the video. And keep in mind here, the video is 10 minutes and 24 seconds. And so, alright, it looks like it went ahead and gave me the summary here. It says, okay, here's the summary of the provided video. A DIY Burger King tacos. Hey, and it says, hey, you fellow foodies, with all this hype over the new Burger King taco, a content creator took a challenge to make her own version of the tacos. She states it's only a few ingredients and she's confident in the challenge. Check it out. First, she gives a shout out to someone else, and she states the link to her channel, and the content creator goes over the list of ingredients she used and states for the taco seasoning she's using brand McCormick, but any brand will do. She also adds some extra ingredients like garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper to add some extra flavor to the tacos. She also states you can go and buy pre-shredded cheese, but she prefers to shred the cheese on her own. And for lettuce, she uses shredded lettuce instead of big chunks like Burger King uses. As she's using ground beef for the protein, you can get any brand. She also purchased extra large tortillas, as Burger King's tacos are usually smaller. For the taco sauce, she prefers La Victoria, and it will be the side for those who want extra kick. And so it did a decent job. I think it could have been a little bit more detailed, but it did mention the bare minimum details that I would expect it to mention. And based on this, I'm pretty sure someone can take this and be able to cook these tacos without necessarily watching this entire video. And so that's the main point of this whole thing, is to save time. And of course, you can also adjust the system prompt, and I could probably tell it to give as much details as it possibly can, so that someone can be able to replicate any instructions going on in that video, or replicate the story of what the video is saying. But you know, this is a good start to be able to quickly get the summary of the video. And also with this, if you're interested in development, this is something you can start out with to help you to quickly see what technologies you can prototype for a potential application. Or if you're not a developer, or if you just want to use this as an everyday feature, you can as well. It's completely free. Alright, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and this is Jay Techie, and until next time, peace.